Southern Cross Compressors has combined the best of both worlds, permanent magnet variable frequency motor technology, with its latest two-stage technology to produce a unique range of compressors that achieve outstanding energy efficiency. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The fully enclosed, oil-cooled permanent magnet motor has a wider operating speed range than a similarly sized induction motor. Now, combining this with a variable frequency drive with an advanced PID control algorithm provides drive unit capable of maintaining maximum power efficiency over a wider operational range. The PMVF compressors feature a newly developed two-stage screw air end that offers both higher efficiency and longer bearing life than a conventional design. The unique combination of the motor, VSD drive and two-stage design provides an air compressor that is both more efficient and easier to control than any other design. And because the PMVF range maintains maximum efficiency under all usage demands from 15 to 100% in applications with widely fluctuating demands, the energy savings can be as much as 50%. Find out more from all the W's, southerncrossaircompressors.com.au, or give them a call 1300 098 901. And thanks for watching.